A good mac and cheese is essential. Well, technically this is shells and cheese, but we're not pedantic here, so who cares? To start it off, melt some butter and add some flour. You're gonna create a roux. For this application of the roux, all you're looking to do is cook out the flour. And then you're gonna incorporate milk. This is gonna create a nice, smooth, silky texture, and it's what you're looking for in a cheese sauce, or some people call it a mornay. Speaking of cheese, add whatever cheese you like. I'm using Kobe right now because that's what I had, and shred it freshly. Before you season it appropriately to whatever you're making with it. I'm adding green chili, so I added cumin and some other things. Speaking of green chili, I'm from New Mexico, so we put it in everything. They even serve it at McDonald's. And it takes a while to get used to, but it's so delicious. Once everything is incorporated together, just season it to taste, some salt and pepper, and then you're ready to add your pasta or your noodles. Whatever you call them, I really don't care. Just don't overcook them. Make sure they have some body to them, some kind of texture left over, because nobody wants that just straight mush in your mouth. So full disclosure, I really don't like breadcrumbs on macaroni and cheese. But I'm trying to learn how to like it. It just seems kind of sandy and unnecessary to me. So I'm making a breadcrumb gremolata, so at least they'll have a lot more flavor. Gremolata is basically just a bunch of chopped up garlic with lemon zest and parsley. You chop that up, season it with some salt, and it's delicious on a lot of applications. Super simple, but amazing. So once you have your gremolata put together, all you're gonna do is add some breadcrumbs to that, and then mix that together. I can't really remember where I saw this at, but I stole it from somewhere. They used it on short ribs, which looked really delicious, so I'm gonna try that later. But back to the mac and cheese, just plate it up, and toss however much of that breadcrumb stuff you want on top. And remember, everything in food is changeable, so just make it the way you want to eat it. Don't let anybody tell you different. I hope you enjoy. Hit the like button, and I'll see you later.